Welcome back to the channel CarOg 765, where we explore classic rides, legendary machines, and the stories behind them. If you love vintage vehicles and timeless designs, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay connected for more amazing content. Today, we're diving into a true classic that represents the golden era of American vans, the 1993 Chevy G10 Custom van. This van isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of freedom, creativity, and the unique customization culture that defined the 80s and early 90s. The 1993 Chevy G10 Custom van stands out immediately with its boxy yet bold design. Back in the day, vans weren't just for transport, they were expressions of personality. Owners would transform these vehicles into rolling masterpieces, and the G10 was one of the most popular platforms for that. From custom paint jobs to interior upgrades, every G10 had its own story to tell. Under the hood, the G10 typically came equipped with a reliable V6 engine, and in some cases, a powerful V8. This gave it enough strength to handle long road trips, heavy loads, and everything in between. The engine wasn't just about power, it was about dependability. These vans were built to last, and many are still on the road today, proving their durability. One of the most exciting aspects of the 1993 Chevy G10 Custom van is its customization potential. Unlike modern vehicles that come locked with factory features, the G10 was like a blank canvas. Owners added plush captain chairs, wood paneling, neon lighting, mini bars, and even entertainment systems. Some vans were turned into luxury cruisers, while others became practical work vans with a stylish twist. The interior space is another major highlight. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how roomy and comfortable it feels. This van was perfect for families, road trips, or even small businesses. The high roof and wide body made it easy to move around inside, something you don't often get with today's vehicles. Driving the G10 is a unique experience. It's not about speed or sharp handling, it's about cruising. The elevated seating position gives you a commanding view of the road, while the smooth suspension makes long drives relaxing. It's the kind of vehicle that encourages you to slow down and enjoy the journey. In terms of design, the 1993 model carried the classic Chevy van look, simple, strong, and instantly recognizable. The front grille, rectangular headlights, and solid body lines gave it a tough yet friendly appearance. It's a design that has aged surprisingly well and continues to attract attention even today. Another thing that makes the G10 special is its role in pop culture. Vans like these were featured in movies, TV shows, and music videos, often representing adventure, freedom, and sometimes even mystery. Owning a G10 today feels like owning a piece of that cultural history. Maintenance is relatively straightforward, which is another reason why enthusiasts love this van. Parts are still available, and the mechanical design is simple compared to modern vehicles. This makes it a great choice for people who enjoy working on their own vehicles or restoring classics. Fuel economy might not be its strongest point, but that's not what this van is about. The G10 is about experience, character, and nostalgia. It's about taking a step back to a time when vehicles had personality and soul. For collectors and classic car lovers, the 1993 Chevy G10 Custom van is a hidden gem. While it may not be as famous as muscle cars, it holds a special place in automotive history. Its versatility, charm, and customization options make it a favorite among those who appreciate something different. If you're thinking about owning one, you're not just buying a van, you're buying a lifestyle. Whether you want to restore it, customize it, or simply enjoy it as it is, the G10 offers endless possibilities. In today's world of high-tech vehicles, the simplicity of the G10 is refreshing. No complicated systems, no overwhelming screens, just pure driving and a connection between you and the road. That's what makes the 1993 Chevy G10 Custom van truly special. It's not just about where you're going, but how you get there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CarOg 765 for more classic vehicle content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Chevy G10 and which classic van you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion alive.